My name is Brad Rush, owner of Jam Pro of Atlanta. We're a commercial cleaning franchise that's been in operation here locally since 2001. And our marketing, our branding efforts have changed and evolved dramatically since our inception, from advertising 7 days a week in the Atlanta Journal-Constitution to now doing things that I profess I'm not too knowledgeable about. So, part of our success has been dependent on relationships that we have, partnerships really with outside companies that provide expertise that we simply do not have. We knew we had to get up with the times and technology, and had the opportunity a little over a year ago to start doing business. I want to take that back to really establish a partnership, and it is a reciprocal relationship with Reputation Sensei, and I can't begin to tell you the value that they have added to our organization. We look at them as an extension of our internal team. The level of dialogue and we have back and forth, the transparency that we have in that relationship as it relates to the progress we're making in terms of our branding efforts is unlike any other partnership we've had in regards to this specific area. The bottom line is not only do we value the partnership, but it's made a dramatic difference on our bottom line. So the branding, our reputation has grown, enhanced, changed dramatically over the course of just the last 12 months, and I can't be more excited about the future to see the next steps and where they take us moving forward. So to Reputation Sensei, thank you very much for going above and beyond since day one and for continuing to be a valued partner for Jam Pro of Atlanta.